show, the first show at the AKE exhibition. This time we don't have a live show like cutting tools, but we have a live interview. This time the things change in 2017. We want to talk a little bit about the results and experiences of cutting 2.0. You know, we start cutting 2.0 in 2013 on the LIGNA show when we did the live cutting of super silent saw blades. As you remember, this is the first saw blade which doesn't make any sound, which is a quiet saw blade and which was a revolution on the market. We still have the super silent here and it is so brilliant. The people love it. And in 2015 we started to put the technology of super silent to the jointing cutter. We also have the jointing cutter here. In 2015 we had a prototype, and this was also very new in this branch, just to guide the chip on a different way. Just to give you the idea, cutting 1.0 is what you get everywhere. Everywhere at every corner you get tools with old way of cutting. Means you make your chip, the chip goes into a gullet, the gullet takes the chip away. But this is wrong thinking, this is past thinking. The future thinking is that the chip will not go into this gullet. The chip wants to get behind the gullet, especially if you want to cut wood. So if you want to make the chip getting behind the gullet, we developed the super silent saw blade. As you remember, we have the t-shirt tip, and we put the chip in under the t-shirt into the side pocket. And everybody was there and saying, this cannot work. This tool is not possible to work. Even the professors say, this is not working, but in fact it works. And it works perfectly, it works brilliant. We got innovation prizes, we got Red Dot Awards, we got everything, and the tool is running brilliant. Now, we have it for more than 1 year, or for more than 2 years now, on jointing cutters and on other tools. For 2017, we increased our program. We have it for manual feed rate, we have it for mechanical feed rate, we have it in diamond, as a router, in harmony. So you can see all the tools here. We have a special catalog only with 2.0 cutting technology. But what is the benefit of cutting 2.0? It's easy. If you avoid multiple chipping, if you can avoid the multiple chipping, means that less chips will touch the cutting edge. And if less chips cut the cutting edge, means the cutting edge stays sharper for longer time. And if the cutting edge stays sharper for longer time, means your tool lifetime is extended. And your cutting quality is extended. You don't need to make you can extend the service intervals, and you have a longer lifetime, and at least you have a much higher economical benefit. This is what we promoted. And on this show, on this LIGNA show, we show you many customers who tell their success story and who stand for cutting 2.0. And today we start with Salestech. Salestech is a dealer in Australia, far away from this continent, far away. But he loves cutting 2.0. Tomorrow we go to FM, Büromöbel. This is a company, industrial working company with 250 people designing and producing office furniture in one-piece flow. Very interesting, just only using cutting 2.0. The day after tomorrow, on Wednesday, we make interview with Biesse. I don't need to talk about Biesse, everybody knows Biesse. Where the beam saw, the panel saw running on Biesse and cutting 2.0. On Thursday, it's IKEA Industries here. And you know IKEA Industries, they produce 24 hours, 360 days. They produce furniture. So, and they use the cutting 2.0 tools. So they're happy with it, and they want to talk about it. And last but not least, on Friday, we have school. We have a school here. And this school teaches the cutting 2.0 products. So they start changing their education program. They don't teach the old tools anymore, they start teaching with the new tools. So cutting 2.0 is a very nice program, and this is what we want to start with. Today we have Salestech here. and our exclusive dealer Salestech, we worked together with him for 1 year, and he's selling the cutting to all tool in Australian market. With those tools, Salestech can offer first-class service and unique advantages to his customers. Salestech serves all industrial markets in Australia and New Zealand where timber is processed. It includes sawmills, wood chip mills, planing mills, furniture and kitchen production. Salestech has more than 250 industrial working customers, and he is a well-known and reliable supplier of special cutting solutions in Australia. So, this is Sam, but I want to talk to him. So we will change him or exchange him. So welcome on stage. Welcome on stage, the real Sam.
Thank you, Alex. It's a pleasure
From Australia.
to be here.
Thanks for coming here. And also on stage, Stefan. Stefan is the key account manager and he's responsible for AKE to serve Sam. But before we start with a small discussion, we have a quick video. What is cutting to all tools? What are they good for? Sam, you're now our dealer for about 1 year.
Yeah, that's correct.
And you have experience now a little bit with AKE. But my first question to you is, which requirements are important for you to serve your customer, and what does it mean to choose the right supplier?
Well, Alex, for us, we are an applications-based supplier to our customers. Our customers expect us to be able to give them the solutions for whatever they're cutting and whatever equipment they're cutting. As a result of that, we need a supplier standing behind us who can help us in that regard. Our customers cut a whole different variety of products on different machines, the most sophisticated machines and sometimes the most basic machines. And every time we need to be able to give them a cutting solution for that.
And for us from the AKE side, it's important to have a partner in those countries who can explain to us what are the basic needs of their special markets, that we can adapt our products to their needs.
If you talk about needs, the Australian market, does it have different needs than the European market? Can't you just give a catalog and sell the tools?
Yeah, just for instance, if we have a look at the nesting, which is here mostly in Europe, used the diamond tooling. In Australia, they have a very bad reputation on diamond tools. That's why we needed to adapt our product range to his needs, and we came up with a whole solution of solid carbide cutters, and he gave us all the information which requirements we need to fulfill, and that's what we served him.
From our side, AKE were fantastic in coming up with the solid carbide solution. But if we talk about application-based, we were able to use the solid carbide tools, which were new for AKE, and we were able to bring in some of the tools from the range. And some of those tools we brought in with the HP chucks we have there. So we had a situation where we took the HP chuck, which is a fantastic system where we can get the benefits of a high precision chuck with the ease and convenience of a standard chucking system, and we combined that with the special tools that AKE made us, and we've got a really good solution in our market for nesting. So thank you AKE from that point of view. We also, if we talk about cutting 2.0, beam saw blades, or as you say here in Germany, a panel saw. For us, the cutting 2.0 on beam saws is a real revolution. It's enabled our customers who are cutting different products, it's enabled them to use one saw blade and to get the perfect finish every time and get really good edge life.
So we prepared for you a small video where you can see how the tools are being produced in Riedberg.
For our clients, we want the pinnacle of innovation. Who else to turn to but AKE, who can deliver the very best in cutting and milling technology. The quality of the tool is critical in the productivity of the machine. It's important to optimise the cost-benefit ratio. With AKE Cutting 2.0 technology, our clients are able to achieve maximum performance. AKE's commitment to high quality is reflected in their quick responses to our customers' requirements. We also like the flexibility and expertise AKE have at dealing with our clients' requests. Specialised AKE technicians design and build tools to meet and exceed our clients' requests. It is exactly this commitment that makes AKE the perfect partner for us and our clients.
Sam, I just explained that when we invented these tools, that all, and this means everybody who seems to be an expert of tool told me and told us those tools will not run. They will not work. Because they are strange, they cannot work. You're working for us for 1 year. What was your reaction when you saw first time those tools?
My first reaction was what you just said. I was looking at the saw blades, for example. How does this work? I've been in the tooling industry my whole working life, and it's, how is this saw blade going to work? They work, and they work extremely well. That's all I can report. Everyone that we've sold them to loves them, and everyone that we've sold them to, as I said earlier, cuts a whole variety of products, and they're able to do it with these saw blades. They're fantastic. It's the same with the jointing tools. What's the benefit? What's the benefit of cutting 2.0? Let me tell you, the benefit is real. They work, and they work really, really well.
So, what does the future look like?
The future, what I know is the future has been brought forward with cutting 2.0. The future is here. These tools work and they work well. What I'm excited about is the challenges that we will put to AKE with cutting 2.0. Can we incorporate some of the cutting 2.0 technology into our nesting tools, into other applications? That's the future, and I'm sure that AKE will handle those challenges quite well.
So, finally, it seems that you're positive about 2.0.
I'm very excited, very excited. Our customers are excited, I'm excited. I have a real benefit. I'm the only one in Australia with this technology, and that makes my job really easy. So thank you.
Thank you, Sam. Thank you for listening. Thank you for taking time. Thank you, Sam, for being here.
Thank you, Alex, for the opportunity.
And we are all here for you. Thank you, Stefan.
Thanks, Alex.
Thanks, Stefan.